Can ChatGPT help you with trading, or is it just another lie? You know, I used to get this kind of comment on my comment section, even in my DMs, right? Asking if ChatGPT can help you with trading. You know, when people hear about ChatGPT for trading, they think it can predict market or tell you what to buy or sell, right? But the truth is that ChatGPT is not a trading bot. That's the fact truth. It's not a trading bot, and it cannot analyze market for you. But as a trader, there are few things you can use ChatGPT for, and I'm going to break it down for you step by step, right? Let's get down to it. Now, if you're a beginner, ChatGPT is great for learning concepts, right? You can ask it to explain things like support and resistance, risk management, indicators, or trading physiology. This alone can save you weeks of confusion, right? And once you understand the basics, let me show you the next smart way traders use it. They call it creating trading plan. Now, most beginners lose money because they don't have a plan, all right? And you can use ChatGPT to help structure your trading plan. You get? So now, for example, your risk per day, your session time, rules for entering or existing trades. The truth is that you still makes your decision. ChatGPT just helps you organize your thinking. Now let's talk about strategy ideas. You get? ChatGPT can explain trading strategies clearly. You can ask it to explain strategies like trending, following, breakout trading, or scalping without the complicated language. You know, this helps you understand how strategies work, not magically profit from them. All right. Now, next is something many traders ignore: improving risk management. Now, you see, risk management is more important than strategy. That's the fact. Okay. And ChatGPT can help you calculate position sizing, risk to reward ratio, you know, and stop loss logic. Now, let's talk about analysis. See, ChatGPT cannot see live charts or real-time prices. You get? But you can paste your own analysis and ask it question like, does this setup match my rules? Or, you know, something like, what risk am I missing? You see, think of it as a second brain, not a signal provider. You get? Now, the next one is very powerful. Let's go into it. They call it trading journal and review. Let me tell you one thing you guys don't know. Successful traders journal their trades. You get? You can paste your trade results into ChatGPT and ask it to help you find patterns in your mistakes, right? This improves your discipline and consistency. Now, let's talk about mindsets. You see, overtrading, fear, revenge trading, these kills account. That's the truth. And ChatGPT can help you reflect, stay disciplined, and build a better habit. You get? And the truth is that many traders underestimate this part. So like I said before, ChatGPT should not be used to predict the market. It does not know the future price. Anyone selling ChatGPT trading signals is lying to you. Use ChatGPT as a tool, not a shortcut. You get? And if this video helped you, kindly like and subscribe, and I'll see you in my next video. Peace and love.